Bitcoin bull market on the way. We got some, that sounded a little cringy, didn't it? I got some great content coming for you today. If you want to be a Bitcoin millionaire, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got some content coming your way that I believe is going to lead the way for those who want to be able to gain wealth in cryptocurrency. You don't want to miss this. I got a great news story coming up that's just going to prove it. It's going to prove it. It's going to prove it. Bitcoin bull run coming up. Okay, so here we go. Bitcoin today is sitting at about $9,748, down about 0.07% in the past hour, down about 0.7% in the past 24 hours, up about 3% for the week. Nothing too crazy about that. However, the news is bullish. Take a look at this. Bitcoin mining difficulty hasn't done this since 2018's $3,000 BTC bottom. And right after that, Bitcoin went on a massive bull run. Well, guess what? It's happened again. Difficulty is copying its 3,100 bear market behavior in a move that set the scene for a bull run to $14,000. Now, I want to say something for a moment. We actually saw $3,000 Bitcoin in the 3,000s. We saw, between $3,000 to $4,000 Bitcoin earlier this year. That's one of the things that makes Bitcoin so incredible. Like, if you want to be able to gain wealth in Bitcoin, if you believe in the technology and you believe it's in the future, I don't necessarily believe in trading your way to becoming a millionaire. I believe that the currency itself will take you to becoming a millionaire. I believe everyone should own at least one Bitcoin. I believe everyone should have a Bitcoin business that earns passive income. I'm a huge proponent for that. That's not investment advice. That's just my philosophical belief in this space. It's what I'm doing for myself, and it's what I want to teach people and inform people about. Do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor. However, I believe that massive wealth will be created in cryptocurrency. We have a bull run coming. The great thing about cryptocurrency is it gives you a chance to get back in. It's highly volatile. It goes way up. It comes way down. And if you miss the boat once, you might get a second chance. But eventually, this thing's going to take off. It's going to go to unknown heights. And you're going to say, I wish I would have, could have, should have got in on my first chance, my second chance, my third chance. And I just totally missed out on it. Educate yourself. Don't miss out on this. All right, so let's talk about this. Difficulty is copying its $3,100 bear market behavior in a move that has set the scene for a bull run to $14,000. Now, they're talking about this is what happened in 2018. Bitcoin is looking like it did at its 2018 bear market bottom, and one fundamental is about to repeat a move which has only happened twice in its history. An analysis of the Bitcoin difficulty following its lowest adjustment on June 4th reveals a key similarity to when BTC USD traded at lows of $3,100. Bitcoin difficulty, if you don't know this, the mining difficulty of Bitcoin is programmed in such a way that it goes up and down based on the amount of people mining. This week, difficulty adjusted down by 9.3%. That followed a downward shift 2 weeks previous of negative 6%. And the next adjustment is, if the next adjustment is also negative, it is currently forecast at negative 7%. It will be only the third time ever that 3 back-to-back negative adjustments have occurred, with the exception of December 2018. The only other occasion was a record 8 consecutive downward adjustments from 2011. Which also preceded an enormous bull market eventually. The phenomenon repeating again could well be significant. Difficulty provides an estimate of miner interest and takes it down, incentivizing participation in Bitcoin transaction validation. So what essentially happens when mining difficulty, just to make this very simple for you, when it is adjusted down, mining Bitcoin becomes more profitable for miners. So the idea is that it slowly adjusts down, which at some point creates a market shift where more miners want to start mining now because it becomes profitable for them when it might not have been previously. That can incentivize a spark in the price of Bitcoin, which makes mining all of a sudden really profitable for those miners, and other people start jumping on board. Adjustments are also key to ensuring Bitcoin's status as hard money. Changes in difficulty are automatic every 2016 blocks mined and allow Bitcoin to regulate itself predictably without compromising security. That's huge. You should understand that if you're going to be in this space. Bitcoin works like it was designed to. In 2020, the situation is complicated, coming just weeks after Bitcoin's third block subsidy halving event, which slashed miners' revenue by 50%. As Cointelegraph reported, sell-offs from mining pools continued afterward, with miners selling more coins than they had earned. For well-known commentator Well Panda, however, current behavior shows that it is business as usual for Bitcoin. 3 weeks after the Bitcoin halving, the meme pool was almost empty again. One SAT transaction confirming, he tweeted last week. No mining death spiral, even though we lost nearly 50% of the hash rate. It's bouncing back. Next difficulty adjustment down less than 10%. Bitcoin works like it was designed to. Lower difficulty should further boost hash rate as miners increase participation. Hash rate has already been climbing after its halving drop, and a common theory suggests that price action follows hash rate upticks. 3 months after its December 2018 lows, BTC USD began a bull run that topped out at nearly $1,400. Last year, a new metric claimed that Bitcoin should top out at 1,000% of its 2018 difficulty low. So, ladies and gentlemen, this basically means those of you who follow Richard Hart, what he predicted has yet to happen. I mean, I like Richard Hart. He's smart. But what he's predicted has yet to happen. Bitcoin has not fully collapsed. And it looks like we may be in tune for a massive bull run. I've got a video coming up, how to become a Bitcoin millionaire. You're not going to want to miss that. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, yesterday, I covered a news story from Bloomberg where basically, for a whole different fundamental reason, Bloomberg, and I love when fundamental reasons indicate a bull market, but Bloomberg basically was calling for a bull market before the end of 2020. I'll link that above right here so you can go ahead and watch it. But that's incredible when you have outlets like Bloomberg themselves saying that we may be seeing a bull market in Bitcoin. This story is hot off the press. It's only 7 hours old. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you believe we're going to have a bull market in 2020? Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Smash that like button, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that subscribe button. Together, we're moving with cryptocurrency into the future. This is Crypto Wealth. Remember, crypto equals freedom, crypto wealth. I'm out.